Ah, and the death storm has arrived. The wind is picking up. Oh my God.
Wow.
It is now here, and the wind is just unbelievable. Oh,
Like, now I can't see that flag.
I could just barely see them palm trees right now. I just hope our power don't go out, man. I'm telling you. I got the apartment cool just the way I like it right now, and
Uh-huh. He left, so I can actually sit down now.
I think I better get inside as soon as I'm done with this. It suddenly just turned black. All right, man, you take care. It just suddenly turned black. Look at this. Oh my God, it's just turning black right now. You can't see nothing right now. We just got hit with it, and that is all within a matter of a minute. That's how bad this dust storm is right now. Look at this. You can hear the wind. 5 minutes ago, it wasn't even like this. You can't even see our car. You can't see nothing right now. It's just solid black because of the dust. Oh, my eyes are actually starting to burn. There's our car. It's only about maybe 20